Hi, we're here at the Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos, and we're at the Kids Club today, and I'm here with the fabulous Isabel, who is one of the, what's your title?
I'm like the supervisor over here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So what are the ages for the Kids Club?
Okay, for being inside, we accept kids from 4 to 12 years old.
Okay.
Since the insurance hotel just covered the ages to be inside. Kids under 4 years can be in the playground, and we can bring them all the material that they need, but always with the parents.
Okay, perfect. And what are the hours for the Kids Club?
Okay, so we open from 9 a.m. to 12:45. Then we have a break for lunch, 1 hour. Parents have to come for the kids.
Yep.
Since we are not allowed to give them lunch here.
Okay. And that's better for food allergies as well?
Yes, even better for them.
Yeah.
And we come back 2 and close 5.
Okay. And now what are the certifications to be an employee in the Kids Club?
Okay, we have like two certification, the RCP, like how you say
CPR.
the CPR,
Yeah.
exactly like that, and a babysitter one.
Okay.
So you have to be really well trained in here.
Yeah. And then first aid, I guess, basic first aid.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, we have like 2 right now.
Yeah. And what about if a guest is here for a wedding and they are going to go to the reception and they might take the child for a little while, but they want to have some babysitting services? Is that available?
Yes. Right now 2 of the girls here in the kids club are certificate, and all you need to do is ask in guest service.
Okay.
You go to guest service, you do a reservation for the babysitter,
Okay.
and it's $20 per hour, I think.
For one child.
For one child.
Yeah. Okay.
1 hour.
And what if it's later than, and it goes into the evening? Is it possible to do it
It's
later?
all day. Babysitters is all day.
Okay.
All day long. Like you can have it at 10 a.m., 10 p.m. whatever.
Oh, okay.
It's up
So
to
even
you.
during the day.
Even for the day.
Okay. What about if it goes into like 11 or 11:30? Do they have to pay extra or pay for transportation or anything?
Yes, they need to pay extra for the taxi from the babysitter.
Okay, perfect. Cool. What other questions do I have? So we've taken a look at some of the activities, and there's somebody inside doing face painting.
Yes.
And I've seen all kind of like water balloons and sandcastles, all the fun stuff that the adults want to do, right?
Yeah, we have a lot of activities. We do a lot of art and craft. We do making piñata, breaking piñata, we have face painting, we have board games, recycling time.
What's the recycling one?
Well, I don't know if you saw in the resort, there's these like little waters.
Yeah.
Okay, we try to keep them all here, and we paint them. I don't know, you want me to show you one? We can go inside and show you one.
Well, let's do that after.
Perfect, okay.
Yeah.
So we paint them like characters.
Oh.
We do like little pots for flowers.
Yeah.
We do a lot of activities with those. And we have like origami things, a lot of stuff.
Okay,
We have a
so-
foam party even.
So you're reusing the water bottles for
Exactly.
Reusing as opposed to just
Yes.
recycling. Okay, perfect. And the home party is here what days?
On Tuesdays at 11 a.m. in the little pool over there. We have games, we have the foam. It's a lot of fun.
And now that, I'm guessing that changed because it used to be at the larger infinity pool, which is a little bit deeper, and that a lot of parents are concerned about that because it's a safety concern if the water's here and the foam is here.
Yeah,
they can't see
actually,
the
it's one
child.
of the reasons why we changed the activity like that.
Yeah.
We used to have 2 foam parties. We still have 2 foam parties, but one is for kids here in the kids area, and the other one is for adults in the adults pool.
Okay, perfect. So then no concerns about
Yeah,
safety,
no concerns about that.
but they still get to participate.
Exactly, and always with the teachers. We are 4 teachers right now, and we are always over there with a lifesaver.
Oh, okay. Great. Perfect. Excellent. Well, thank you, Isabel. I appreciate
You're
your
welcome.
time.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. So these are some of the arts and crafts that they
these are
do.
some of them.
And these are actually the water bottles that they've just repainted. And can they take these home as a little
Yes.
gift?
Yeah,
Oh, that's
all
so
of
cool.
The things that they do here is for them. They can keep it. All of it.
That's
We have the
perfect.
ceramics, like these ones.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Oh, that's a lot of fun. Perfect. Cool. Well, thanks very much, Isabel.
You're welcome. Hope to see you here.
Thank you.